There's a new trend in the world of travel. I'm talking about raw dogging flights. It's not what you think. It's a trend that involves boarding a flight without any headphones, books, or entertainment and just staring at the in-flight map like a sociopath. Yeah, it's bizarre. But what's more bizarre is that apparently we can now say raw dogging on CBS. CNN did it. So, panelists, what are some other terms for traveling? Anna.
Dry humping. That's when you hit turbulence over Arizona.
Andy.
Edging. When you slowly take over the armrest.
Melissa.
MILF, when your plane get canceled and you say, man, I'd like to fly.